kung titingnan po natin, ito pong dalawang surveys ito nagpapakita lamang talaga nung tinatawag natin na trajectory nung mga naging pagdaloy, lalong-lalo na nitong mga investigation sa flood control. I think the president missed a very, very important turning point here, no? Particularly nung June, when July actually, when he had his SONA. I think the momentum was already there because he already said that statement, mahiya naman kayo, and it was really applauded not only by the people in the gallery, but I think by the entire Philippine nation. Pero kasi the months after that, I think we actually saw a drastic slowdown. So nawalan nung tinatawag nating momentum at nawala nung mas masasabi nating solid, decisive effect yung kanyang mga ginawa dito sa flood control scandal, to the point that even if there were already a lot of mechanisms already in place, nandiyan na yung mga pasabog ni Zaldico, nandiyan na rin yung mga naghanap na rally. I think it really failed to get that upswing, no? And I think ito yung naging dahilan kung bakit hanggang ngayon wala tayong masasabi ng mga mabibigat na mga personalidad at mga malalaking isda na napakulong. And this is actually contrary to what he promised to us. So ang nangyayari dito kasi is parang it's more of a paralysis, I would say, na parang nag-stall talaga yung palasyo. Especially nung yung mga kaalyado na niya, yung mga masasabi nating madadawit dito, I think the president really tried to press on the panic button and medyo nagano siya, no, nag-slow down talaga. Ito yung nakita natin dito sa mga nagdaang surveys.
Oo,